Hey guys, welcome back with another fantastic video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize your Samsung Galaxy without any good look module feature. How to get awesome looks in One UI 4.1 after no need any good look customization. Need a simple customization for my video and customize your Galaxy smartphone. So now guys, first of all go to settings. Now search text, search the text. Now search the bold text. Search the bold text. Yes, bold font. Now guys, tap on here and download this bold Gothic bold feature. Download this font from Galaxy Store. As you can see here, that this is the default One UI fonts. This is the default One UI fonts. That's not looks awesome. As you can see here, that's not looking awesome. Now apply the bold font in your Samsung Galaxy device. After the applying, that looks so cool. As you can see here, that looks so cool. Now apply some widgets in your screen, like weather wallpaper, weather widgets and clock widgets. As you can see here, this is the clock widgets. Tap on here and change your favorite clock. Now as you can see here, now guys, this is the dual clock system of Samsung Galaxy A12. Which color you like, black or white? If you like black, tap on black. If you like white, tap on white. Now this is the transparency effect of the Samsung Galaxy A12. If you need transparency effect, tap on here and customize your transparency. Now I like white effect. Now tap on the weather widget. Now customize your weather widget. If you need like black widget, tap on black and apply the black widget. If you like the white widget, so tap on white and apply the widget. I need transparent widget. I like transparent widget. I apply the transparent widget and choose a good wallpaper from the dynamic lock screen. Choose a wallpaper from the dynamic lock screen. Dynamic lock screen provide a better wallpapers. Dynamic lock screen provides a better wallpapers. I get this wallpaper from the dynamic lock screen and I choose a color palette feature on this wallpaper. As you can see here, I choose a fantastic color palette feature on this wallpaper. As you can see, the color palette is pretty good. Apply the color palette or customize your Galaxy smartphone. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe and like my video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Subscribe for more exclusive videos.